Hello everyone! For today's video, I will share with you the 4 things school people learn to buy the right way. In life, you are going to do a lot of spending. I believe it is important to be a good steward of the money God gives by being wise in the way we purchase things. It is completely uncool to waste our money on things that don't last or are unhealthy or unproductive. Now, for the things you must learn to buy right. First, luxuries. This is the stuff you really don't need, but would be cool to have it. Couple of points to remember. Don't make impulsive purchases. Allow a cooling off period before you pull the trigger. Never put a luxury or credit. Pay cash. Allow luxury purchases in proper proportion to your budget for the rest of your expenses. Second, vehicle. This is the big ticket item. When starting out, don't buy a brand new one. You lose a million of pesos the minute you drive it off the lot. Be careful as you search for a good used vehicle. Compare prices, get the vehicle checked by an independent mechanic, and make sure you can afford the payment if you finance it. Third, food. Stay away from a lot of junk food. Learn to eat healthy. Fourth, clothes. Cheap clothes are tempting, but they often don't last or look very good. Spend a little extra to get something sharp. Five, house. It's probably a little way down the road for you right now. But don't allow yourself to have renter's mentality. The quicker you can buy your own place, even if it's a fixer-upper, the better. Get wise counsel from those who have purchased several homes successfully. That's all, and thank you for watching. God bless everyone.